Hey guys, this is Mike with Downey Collision. Today we want to talk about all the added extra service and features you get from our shop. So first and foremost, you get into an accident, usually you call your body shop, they'll invite you into the shop so you can get an estimate in regards to your repairs. Well, what we can do for you is we have two options. You can actually call us and send us photos of your damages to your vehicle, and we can try to get you an estimate based on your photos. So that way you're not inconvenienced of having to go to a body shop and then take your car back to home and then have to bring it back again after the estimate has been approved from the body shop. The second option is you can actually call us and we can actually valet your vehicle to our shop. Doesn't matter if it's at your home or your office or a storage facility. We can send either a driver if your vehicle is drivable to our shop, or we can actually arrange a tow to have your vehicle towed to our shop. If it's a high-end exotic, we can send a flatbed enclosed unit to your house or office to have your vehicle picked up. All right, so you need an estimate. Sometimes when you call a shop, they ask you to take your car to the shop for them to be able to look at your car and then be able to write an estimate. What we can do for you is we can ask you to send photos of your damaged vehicle. We can get you a preliminary estimate for your damages before you decide to drive to our shop. So you can get yourself that estimate via email. The second thing is you can also bring your car to our shop, or we can have your car picked up and brought to our shop for an estimate. We will take care of everything with the insurance company for you. We will contact them with their claim information, get them the preliminary estimate, get the adjuster to come to our shop and review the damages to your vehicle, and most importantly, we can do the supplements and anything additional. The next thing is when you come to our shop, you need a rental. We actually work with Enterprise as well as Hertz. All it takes is 5 minutes for us to call them. They'll send the driver to our shop. They will pick you up, take you back to their office. We'll get you into a rental. If you have rental coverage on your policy, you have nothing to worry about. We'll make sure the insurance company covers all your rental expenses. If you do not have rental coverage, we have discounted negotiated rate for our clients that you can get from Hertz and Enterprise. We'll make sure that you have a vehicle as long as your car is here in our shop for repairs. All right, so the next thing is that you get into an accident. Sometimes you do have coverage, sometimes you don't. If you do not have coverage and you have to pay out of pocket, we can give you a discounted rate on some of our repairs. Also, we can offer you financing, so you can actually finance your repairs. So don't worry about it, we got you covered. What happens if your car gets to a shop and the shop from day one decide to start charging you storage? If the repairs are not authorized or you choose not to have your car repaired, the body shops have a tendency to charge you a lot of storage. We will offer you 2 days of free storage, nothing to worry about. If you have coverage, fantastic. If you don't, you don't have to pay storage for 2 days. So we're here to take care of you. So most importantly, again, you want to take your car to a shop that has good rating, good reviews. If you check us online on Google and Yelp, 5-star rating across the board. We're here to take care of every one of our customers. We want to make sure that we have 100% satisfaction guarantee. We guarantee our work, we guarantee our quality of work, so you are in good hands. All right, so I hope you liked this video today, and for more information, please go to our website, www.auto8collision.com, for more information. All right, so please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos to come, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon.